Hello, everyone. I know it's been a while since I've done anything. I have just had busy things happen and medical appointments and so on, and taking my daughter to Florida so she can visit her dad, one of my daughters. Anyway, nonetheless, I am showing this because right now the bedroom is a little bit of a mess. I've just kind of put things together because this is all coming out of here because this bed now will be turned sideways here. The nightstand will be coming out. That one will stay because in there is the circuit box. Um, and then also, I'm going to try to cut this down to be a twin size. If in the future, for some reason, need to have it to be a bigger bed, that can be taken care of. But right now, for the expense and so on, it's just going to be so much easier than trying to get in through this tiny little space and dance around here to get into the bed. And I have fallen down in this area. Sorry about the dust, but I've been moving things around, so it's going to be dusty, unfortunately. But fell down in here and I was not able to get up. I had to call 911 to help me get up. And so that's not a good thing. And then in this area, I am hoping that some metal crate things can go here and have a little extra storage too. But I wanted to just do a little bit of a before and be able to record more of it once it is completed. I have my friend who does RV work, and this is a slow time for him, so he's able to come over. And then I could never afford him under most conditions. He gives me very very good price. But there's going to be a place for the vacuum over in the corner. Have those extra crates here so I can store some of these items instead of having them stored in little boxes, which is right here. It's about ready to fall off. And there's another one over there, but that actually is for the project for the windows in here. I actually have curtains for the windows. And back in that window, that will actually have a cover, one of those, I can't remember what they're called, foil covers that will help insulate that area better for in the winter. I'm going to put it there in such a way, though, that I can pull it back off just with some Velcro and keep it there so that if I want to open it up, I can. And so, anyway, this is quick, but it's going to be very interesting when it's done. Can't wait to share it. Have a good day.